Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix keyboard not working on HP laptop, right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, right click on your start menu. Okay. Now click on device manager and then in here, find your keyboards. Now go ahead and find your keyboard. It should be a PS2 right here. Okay. Something like that if you're using a laptop keyboard. So right click on it and click on update driver. Now click on browse. Let me pick. Select the standard keyboard, click on next, just click on close. Now it will ask you to restart your computer, so go ahead and click on yes right here and then check if it helps. If that still won't work, right click on it or go back to device manager, uninstall the device, uninstall, and then once that's done, it's going to ask you to restart your computer again. Just restart your computer and check if it helps. If that still won't work, find Windows Update right here in the list, okay? If you can't find it and you can't use your specific keyboard, just go ahead and at least try to plug in a external keyboard or use and find the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so click on search and find updates, just like so. Now go ahead and click on check for updates right here, close the keyboard. Okay, click on check for updates. If there are available updates, install them all. And then after that, go ahead over to advanced options and click on optional updates and then install all available updates here as well. Now, once that's done, once everything is installed, go ahead and again, restart your computer. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if all else fails, there's a problem with your keyboard and you might want to get it checked by a local technician, or if it's still under warranty, get it checked by the manufacturer. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.